Hi, my name's Catherine and I'm here to give you a little bit of an insight as to what you can expect on the TriThick 3D stand this year at TCT 3Sixty at the NEC. Follow me. After 2 years of not being able to exhibit, we can't wait to get back in front of additive manufacturing enthusiasts and share with you the latest developments over the past 24 months. Of course, expect our trusted FDM and PolyJet technology to be on the stand, showcasing some of our amazing models, and even better, get to see the revolutionary J55 printing live on the stand. Not only this, but come and explore the brand new Stratasys technology, including SAF, P3, and come say hello to our new metals corner. If this hasn't whet your appetite enough, we'll be exhibiting right next door to our sister company, CADspec Limited. So for those who prefer to cut metal, then lay it, those are the guys to go to. 28th to the 30th of September, NEC Birmingham, stand C21. You cannot miss us. See you there.